Ever thought of a dash cam that not only records but also alerts emergency contacts if an accident happens? Or one that covers every angle around your car with a full 360-degree view? In 2024, dash cams have reached a whole new level of security and convenience. We're diving into the top 10 dash cams you can get this year, each with unique features that add extra layers of safety, clarity, and ease to your drive. Let's check out the best options for your car. If you're looking for a compact, reliable dash cam with sharp visuals, the Nextbase Piqo is worth considering. Recording in crisp 1080p and 1440p, it captures essential details whether you're driving or parked, ensuring your car is protected at all times. One key feature is the Emergency SOS, which automatically contacts emergency services if an accident occurs, sending your location and important details. Perfect for added peace of mind. Its G sensor locks key recordings during an incident, and continuous parking mode keeps watch for any suspicious activity while you're away. With Nextbase voice control, you can easily adjust settings or activate witness mode light hands-free, adding to the Piqo's convenience. It's also user-friendly, thanks to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the Nextbase app, making it easy to access and share footage anytime. Plus, the 145-degree wide-angle lens and enhanced night vision help cover every angle, day or night. The Piqo Dash Cam offers a thoughtful balance of features for anyone who values safety and convenience on the road. Next, we have the Vantrue N2X, which is a solid choice if you want full coverage for both inside and outside the car. With its dual camera setup, it records both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle in excellent quality. The front camera uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor and HDR technology for clear visuals, while the 4 infrared LEDs make sure your cabin footage stays sharp, even at night. This dashcam also includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, letting you access footage, route reports, and firmware updates directly from your phone. It's practical and secure with voice control. Lock videos, mute the microphone, or snap a photo without taking your hands off the wheel. Plus, the N2X has 4 parking modes, so your car is always monitored, even when parked. Its magnetic design makes removing the front camera quick and easy, a handy feature for drivers who switch vehicles or need flexible setup options. All in all, the Vantrue N2X offers reliable security and ease of use for any journey. If video quality is your top priority, the Garmin X310 Dash Cam brings Ultra HD 4K recording to the table, capturing every detail with clarity. Equipped with Garmin's Clarity HDR and a polarizer lens, it reduces glare from your windshield for sharp visuals in any light. The 140-degree wide field of view lets you capture a broad perspective, and the 2.4-inch LCD touchscreen is simple to navigate. Garmin's Vault feature is a standout, allowing you to securely share clips via a paid subscription, all backed by Wi-Fi connectivity. For safety, the Parking Guard and Live View feature notify you of any activity around your car while it's parked, so you stay informed even when you're away. Voice control and alerts for forward collisions, lane departures, and red light cameras make the X310 a reliable co-pilot, providing real-time safety reminders. Built to handle extreme conditions, this dashcam is both durable and user-friendly, ideal for drivers who want premium quality and security. For a full 360-degree view around your car, the 70 MIOFIVE Omni offers a unique rotating camera with a 140-degree field of view that keeps every angle covered. Its f1.5 aperture ensures sharp, color-accurate footage even in low-light conditions, making sure you're well protected day and night. With AI-powered motion detection, the Omni is especially helpful for parked security, alerting you to any potential threats and documenting incidents like attempted break-ins. The Omni also features the Advanced Driver Assistance System, which provides alerts for lane departures, forward collisions, and pedestrians, great for keeping you aware on busy roads. Integrated GPS records your driving routes, and with the 4G hardwire kit, you can monitor your car remotely through the 70 MIOFIVE app, a handy feature for those who want continuous access. Hands-free voice control adds to the convenience, and the playful Max the Bear mascot adds a bit of personality to the experience. The 70 MIOFIVE Omni is ideal for drivers who want thorough visual coverage combined with modern tech features. Alright, we just saw some cool products that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So, if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Let's move on to a dash cam that focuses on safety and storage with advanced connectivity. If you're after a dash cam that does more than just record, the Nexar Beam 2 offers impressive safety features with its clear QHD 2K resolution. Every detail of your drive is captured, giving you peace of mind knowing you have sharp, reliable footage. The Beam 2's unlimited cloud storage, accessible through the Nexar app, lets you edit and share recordings with ease, while also allowing you to create time-lapse videos. Subscribing to Nexar Connect unlocks extra features like remote streaming, live alerts, and 24/7 GPS tracking, providing real-time notifications about your car's location and incidents, even when it's parked. Automatic incident detection ensures that any collision or parking bump is captured and instantly sent to your phone and the cloud for easy access. The Beam 2 combines essential recording with comprehensive monitoring, offering drivers complete coverage and safety while on the road. Up next, we'll dive into a dash cam that brings advanced navigation and police alerts into the mix. For drivers who want a bit of everything, high-quality visuals, safety alerts, and navigation, the Cobra SC 400D covers all bases. With its Ultra HD 4K resolution, this dash cam captures even the smallest details, providing clear and reliable evidence in case of incidents. It features a dual camera system with front and rear views, plus an optional cabin camera for full 3-way coverage, which is especially useful for rideshare drivers or those who transport passengers frequently. A unique addition is the heads-up navigation, which displays real-time directions on the screen, helping you stay focused on the road without distractions. Live police alerts also come in handy, warning you of radar speed zones and camera locations to help you avoid potential violations. With the Drive Smarter app, you can access real-time alerts from other drivers and remotely view a live feed of your dash cam. The Cobra SC 400D packs a variety of features for a safe, connected driving experience. For those who need full visibility around their car, the Piqo 720-degree panoramic mirror dash cam offers both front and rear views in 2K plus 2K resolution, covering every angle. This dash cam is built into an 11-inch IPS mirror, providing clear, easy navigation for in-car and road visuals, ideal for avoiding blind spots and catching every detail. The 115-degree wide-angle rear camera and 720-degree front camera offer a broad view that can capture side collisions and other incidents that typical dash cams might miss. Its IP67 waterproof rear camera is resilient even in heavy rain, and the Sony IMX335 sensor minimizes glare from headlights, making night driving safer. With simple, one-touch controls, you can easily switch between views, and HDR technology ensures clear recordings in tunnels or low-light areas. The Piqo 720-degree panoramic mirror dash cam is a solid choice for professional drivers, rideshare providers, or anyone who wants top-notch visibility and security. If crystal clear video quality is high on your list, the MIOFIVE 4K UHD Dash Cam is worth a close look. With 4K resolution, this dash cam captures footage with incredible sharpness, helping you spot even the smallest details on the road. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi, the MIOFIVE offers quick uploads and transfers, while its 64 GB built-in eMMC storage means you don't have to worry about an external SD card. It's reliable and ready to go. Thanks to its Sony IMX415 sensor and Starvis night vision, the MIOFIVE ensures clear recording both day and night, making it an excellent choice for low-light conditions. GPS with AI provides helpful alerts like stop and go at traffic lights, making city driving smoother. Plus, with the MIOFIVE app, you can easily access your footage, review routes, and track speed, offering you everything you need for a secure drive. This dashcam is ideal if you want advanced features combined with high-quality video. Let's shift now to a dashcam that provides all-around coverage and adventure-ready features. Here is the QROV 510-degree Smart Dashcam that brings comprehensive all-around coverage with its dual-lens 360 IGRA cameras, offering a total 510-degree field of view. Designed for multiple types of vehicles, from cars to bikes, QROV records in 5K resolution to provide ultra-clear footage of your surroundings. Its 4G LTE connectivity allows you to monitor the live view and GPS tracking remotely, giving you confidence that your car or bike is always covered. With crash detection and an SOS emergency alert feature, QROV offers enhanced safety on the road. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi and H.265 HEVC compression make video sharing and uploading simple, so you can quickly access and share your recordings. Built for versatility, the QROV is suitable not only for daily driving, but also for outdoor activities like camping and capturing moments with just a shot button press. With options for cloud storage and compatibility with iOS and Android, this dashcam is a great fit for anyone wanting safety and adventure capabilities in one package. Now, let's finish up with a dashcam designed for extreme durability and reliable connectivity. Built for reliability in all conditions, the Dride 4K Dash Cam is perfect for drivers needing a device that can handle extreme environments. With its rugged aluminum body, Dride is heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, so it won't overheat even under direct sunlight. This dashcam features radar-based motion detection, keeping an eye on movement around your vehicle when it's parked, which is helpful for capturing real-time incidents. Recording in 4K, Dride provides sharp visuals along with dual camera coverage for both front and rear views, ensuring you have full protection from multiple angles. While parked, Dride goes into sleep mode to save battery, but it'll automatically wake up if nearby motion is detected. Equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it's easy to upload and share footage, especially when you're connected to a home network. The Dride 4K also supports 4G LTE, letting you access videos anytime and giving you quick evidence if needed. From robust design to high-quality visuals, Dride 4K offers all the essentials for reliable, high-performance recording. So that concludes our list of the top 10 dashcams. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.